Welcome. Today in front of me OnePlus 11 and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first let's open our control panel, and if you want to add here some options or just remove some of them, just we should first click to this right upper corner to this three dots, then tap to edit titles, and just to add some options to our panel we should click on each of these green pluses. If you want to remove some of these options, you should click to this green red minuses by this way. So just to add or remove them we should use these switches. Just to change the positions of the icons we should just hold it and drag them by this way. After that, just to save the changes, let's go back, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.